In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter donations in QuickBooks for a non-profit organization. Whether you're managing the finances of a small charity or a larger non-profit, keeping accurate records is essential. Let's walk through the steps you need to take on QuickBooks to manage your donations effectively. First, we need to access QuickBooks, so go ahead and open the QuickBooks website. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate over to the settings. This is your one-stop shop for configuring various aspects of your account. Click on Account and Settings. This section is where we can customize how QuickBooks works for the unique needs of your nonprofit organization. Under the business type, you'll want to select Nonprofit Organization. By doing this, you're customizing QuickBooks to better suit the way nonprofits operate, helping you keep track of those all-important donations. Remember to click Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Next, we head back to the settings again. This time, select Chart of Accounts. In this section, click on New to create a new account. For account type, choose Revenue. Then, under Detail type, pick Nonprofit Revenue. This categorizes the income correctly for nonprofit purposes. Don't forget to add an account name that makes sense for your records, and in the description field, you can simply note that this is for nonprofit use. Once everything looks good, make sure you click Save. Moving on, let's prepare to track the donations we're expecting to receive. Head back to Settings once more, and this time, click on Products and Services. We need to create a new entry, so click New and choose Service. Here, you enter the specifics. Enter the name as Fund Donation. Fill in all the necessary information regarding this service. When everything is complete, click Create to add this to your services list. Now it's time to manage donors. Visit My Apps and then go to the Customer Hub. Here, you're able to manage all the interactions with those supporting your nonprofit. Click New Customer to add a new donor. Enter all the donors' details, ensuring you fill out every field required to maintain comprehensive records. After inputting all necessary information, click Create. With your donor profiles in place, you're set to record donations as they come in. Select Sales Receipt and choose the donor's name from the list. This screen allows you to log the details of each donation, ensuring each transaction is recorded accurately and is easy to find later. Just fill in all necessary details here to keep a detailed record of your nonprofit's income. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to manage nonprofit donations in QuickBooks. Following these steps not only keeps your records accurate, but also ensures compliance with financial reporting standards for nonprofits. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.